Hi guys, welcome back to another TC video. Now I'm doing a quick one for this one. So I went to a slime fair the other day and got a few slimes and I wanted to test them out with you guys. So this one is a thick and glossy. It's got an amazing stretch to it. As you all know, I've made a Guinness World Record for the stretching. I really have. That's a beautiful one. That is by Slime Time by AVO. Now this one is a beautiful butter slime. I love the label. This is from one of my friends at school. Look, oh, it's so stretchy. It's actually going down to the floor, you guys. This is a lovely butter slime. Look how good. Oh, gotta love butter slimes. Butter slimes are my favourite. Sorry, there's this bird just there. It's annoying. Oh, jeez. And that's car. So this one is Kyan Ella slime. This looks like a good one. Oh, you guys, this is amazing. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so sorry. Let me turn the light on, you guys. Here we go. I'm so sorry, you guys. Now, look, this is a beautiful one. Let's see if we can get a slime bubble in here. Ready? So, as you know, before you do a slime bubble, slimes need to be mixed. Oh my god. You know who's so much better at slime bubbles than me? Layla. She's in a couple of our videos. Set. Oh, that was terrible. Alrighty. Ready, you guys. Steady. Oh, see? Amazing. Amazing slime. See, it was just defending itself from me giving it a slime bubble. And another thing, we put cute charms in our slime, but that charm, oh, look at that. That's so cute. This is a beautiful water slime, you guys. I love the little tubs. So, thank you for watching today, you guys. See you next time.